Hello mga kamami, it's me, Mami Telay. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you the proper way to burp a baby. Tips on what position you can try to easily burp your baby. So, let's start. How to burp your baby. Babies burp because they swallow air bubbles while feeding. It is essential to know how to burp your child to avoid any digestion issues. What is burp? Burping is the process of releasing gas from the digestive tract through the mouth. Why is burping important for a baby? Burping your baby is a key part of your baby's feeding routine. When your baby swallows, air bubbles can become trapped in the stomach and cause discomfort. Burping allows your baby to remove some of that gassiness to relieve the pain. It also helps prevent spitting up. Number 1. Colic. Many babies suffer from colic or stomach ache due to excessive air getting trapped in the stomach. Hence, it is important that you help your baby burp properly post-feeding. Number 2. Lack of sleep. Sometimes, mothers complain that their babies do not sleep well at night. This could be due to air getting trapped in the stomach, causing discomfort. Many babies are not bothered by their gas, but some become restless and cannot sleep until they have passed their gas. Number 3. Dangers of choking. Burping helps clear any air inside to avoid choking instances while the baby is being fed. When to burp your baby? The best time to burp your baby is immediately after feeding, especially in the first 6 months or until your baby is able to sit up and burp himself. Best positions for burping your baby. 1. Burping the baby upright on your chest or shoulder. Keep a cloth on your shoulder, sit upright and hold the baby against your chest, resting his chin on your shoulder. Gently rub and pat your baby's back until he burps. Number 2. If your baby has more head control, hold him further up your shoulder so your shoulder gently presses his belly. This will help create some pressure and cause a burp. Next, burping the baby in your lap. Place a bib on the baby and make him face away from you. Place one hand on the chest with your fingers on his chin. Gently rub or pat his back until he burps. Place a bib on your lap and make your baby lie across your knees, perpendicular to your body. With one hand support his chin and rub or pat his back gently. Next position, burping the baby while walking. Try this once the baby has good head control. Hold your baby upright, facing away from you while you walk. Place one hand beneath the bottom and the other across the baby's tummy. What to do if your baby is not burping? Babies should be burped at regular intervals during and after feeding. However, it is alright if the baby does not burp, as long as there is no vomiting. Best tips on burping your baby. Observe and identify when your baby is gassy and needs to burp. Number 2, you should track the number of times your baby needs to be burped. 3. Babies who are bottle-fed need to burp more often because they swallow more air than breastfed babies. 4. Gently rubbing the baby's back during burping helps. 5. You should not force your baby to burp if he seems comfortable. 6. If the baby does not burp after trying for a few minutes, try a different technique. 7. Spit-ups from the mouth and nose during burping is normal. However, if there is excessive vomiting, contact your pediatrician. Consult your doctor if you notice the baby having a fever of 100 degrees or more, diarrhea, bloody stools, and excessive gassiness. Burping a baby may take a few tries. However, once you identify the best method to burp your baby, it will be a smooth process without any issues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Happy burping!